What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making a shrimp toast, but my interpretation. I'm going to show you how to devein it. We're going to split it, and then I have another chance of cleaning it. This is a wildcat like you. This one
You caught it on the street, Joyce.
Yeah, swimming on the street. Water is boiling because I have to cool it. So I cook this first. When it cold up and turn pink, it'll be stiffer. Like now it's soft. That means it's not cooked. But when it boils back, pretty much cooked. Because we're not going to cook it anymore. That's why I made it, make sure that this is cooked. It's hard. It's not like soft like before. I'm going to have to cool it before I peel it. Then I won't burn my finger. Turn on the oven, 350. I'm not putting a cheese on the cardboard, but I'm pretty much making pure cheese, like a cheese crispy. This is a seal pad. That means, you know, it doesn't stick. And then you can make it bigger, smaller.
That's Parmigiano-Reggiano.
Yeah. How many should we make? 100?
Okay, Joyce.
We don't have that much cheese. Basically, you want to keep it round. If it's a little off shape, it's okay too. You put it on top of the toast.
Oh.
And it's a little thicker. And then I'm going to put it in the oven. 350 for like 10 minutes, and we can check.
Okay.
Thank you. See that? I like the tail. I'm going to split it. See, remember I told you that, you know, like maybe not clean, and now I can clean it. That was. It's bubbling, right? And then I'm going to turn on the boiler for a minute. When it come out, when it harden, that's what make it crispy. But I'm going to brown it a little bit. But watch it, because especially cheese. And with this temperature, it will burn like in no time. This, in fact, put it on the cardboard. There's a lot of oil. Now let it cool before you can take it out. I'll make the sauce. This is shallot. Let it cook a bit until it's soft. You don't want to get rid from the oil. Cheese is pure oil.
Pure goodness.
And then let it cool down, and then it will be more crispy. It's soft. I'm going to turn it off. I don't want to burn it. Burn become bitter. Oh, I'm liking it already.
Yeah.
Like when you put butter in it, you have to be careful because it burns easier. When you heat it back up, you want to vaporize the alcohol. You want the sweetness of the wine.
Wow. That'd be a rich sauce, actually.
Yes. Turn it off. And then I need to cool it. And then I use a blender and add mayonnaise. Everything going low. I cut it too close to the pit.
How do you know when it's ripe?
I don't want it ripe, because it's white. If you eat it right away, it might be okay, but it can become mushy. It doesn't look good. This is a trick that make it like look perfect, even like a couple of days later. You can use a peeler, but I think this is a safer way to do it.
Well, I think a peeler would be safer for me.
Really? No. I'm going to cut to smaller pieces. I'm going to deal with the pit. Just cut cube. Put some cilantro in there. Honey too. You can eat this as a dessert. You know this?
Yeah, it's sweeter.
Now let it sit for like 5-10 minutes.
To marinate.
Yeah. It's also for the honey to melt. Classic Brioche one. Yes, it's French, right?
Mm-hmm.
Making French toast with this. I'll give you a skinnier one. More cheese. Cut it thinner. You want a piece?
Sure.
Have you ever say no?
Not to cheese.
Well, cheese have a nice name, right? Cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go. Let's turn the oven back on. 350. This is heart attack.
There's no carbs in butter.
Let it melt. How can it be not good? It's not a possibility. Everything that we like. I want to roll it around to get all the butter and throw in the oven for the cheese to melt. A minute. See that? Often let it sit there because that will melt more. And I make the sauce. Okay, Handmade. Do you think that's enough sauce, Colvin?
Yeah, I think that'll do.
Do you want to be the taster?
Sure. Mmm.
Little salt, right?
A little bit.
Spin it. Whoa, it's gooey. Wow, smells incredible.
Mm-hmm.
Colvin like arugula now.
Oh, wow.
I'll give you a bowl. I think it would be a nice balance, right? Picture time.
Picture time.